Hello guys, just like everyone on it, and welcome to Train Month, and I've got another video for you. So let's get started. So pretty much I've got some various elements on the track, such as like cheese loops in various colors, some 1x2s, various colors, and some studs, and just some stuff that represents just like kind of rocks or snow on the track. And thanks to my special services team who put it on there. And now I'm gonna get the diesel with the snowplow, which I modified it to put the snowplow on, and the the passenger train, and we're gonna see which train actually can plow through all this the quickest. So yeah, I might actually dump some more stuff on here, which is go into my bin, because I'm thinking it's just gonna kind of plow straight through. Well, so guys about this. So yeah, as you just saw, I put the modification on the diesel, and I'll put it on the passenger train. So it's kind of like a plow, snow plow. Normally they have, if there's like snow on the track, they normally have a separate train that does that, but I'm just doing this for fun. Just to see what the outcome is. So I've got my trusty cam over there as well. So yep, there's another, so I can do another view of that. So yeah, this is actually my iPod, so I can actually just get this set up. We'll be off. So first of all, I'll do the diesel. So yep, this is actually not very high quality in this camera. It's the camera that I do is, or the camera that I normally work with is more high quality. So we can just move this over a bit. So give you guys a little bit of look. And let's just put some buffers here so it doesn't ram into the camera. So my iPod cam is turned on. So yep, let's go guys. Oh crap. Hopefully we got a good shot of that. So yeah, wow, look at that. So pretty much derailed. Probably, oh that's actually a track did not come off. That was actually just a normal track. So, wow, that's pretty much. So, let's take a look at that again. Okay guys, so we're gonna do the second train, which is the passenger train, which is this one, and we've got the little plough modification here. Same kind of plough that I used for the locomotive or diesel switcher. So yeah, like I said before, I got the other cam setup, my iPod, and got the buffers so it doesn't really ram into them. So yeah, let's go. Let's go. Whoa. Sorry about that. Oh. There we go. Whoa. And that derails. So that's the outcome. I pretty much I think that the other train was a bit more dramatic. Yeah, like all the carriages like kind of fell off, and then yeah, like yeah, and well, with the diesel, and then this just came off the rails a bit. Only this came off the rails though, but yeah, I probably reckon because this is probably a bit more heavier than just this, and yeah, so let's actually just see what it does when I actually do that. Yeah, so the wheels is constantly spinning, and yeah, so that's it's not budging at all. So yep, look inside the carriage actually. So yeah, I pretty let's show you a little slow-mo of both of them.